We are here in Barneveld, New York at the Acadia property Hickory Outlook. This place is stunning.
But it is -1 degrees right now, so let's go cozy up inside. Woo, I am glad to be inside. Right after you walk in, there is a bathroom off to the right-hand side that has really unique marble sinks, LED lights for getting ready, and a large shower with tile that goes all the way to the ceiling, and it's a rainfall shower, so that's also a bonus. They really went all out and got a smart toilet with a bidet, and then there's laundry in there too if you stay here for a little while. Love the bathroom, great start to this place. I love this tiny kitchen. It may be tiny, but it is loaded. One of my favorite pieces of this kitchen is the touch control sink. I mean, what a luxury.
Pretty sweet.
I also love that it has everything that you need to make an entire meal. Plenty of pots, pans, utensils, and then all of your main appliances. Even a dishwasher.
Which is pretty awesome for a tiny house.
Yes.
The hosts here are fantastic. They provide tons of goodies, both on the counter and in the drawer, to the point that if you forget some important things, they probably have it. And this bar is a perfect use of space in this tiny home. Perfect for having some pancakes in the morning.
Which we totally did.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is the cozy living space with a comfortable couch and TV for entertainment. But my favorite piece is this painting behind us, done by the host Emily. She is an artist and they are actually for sale if anyone wants to buy them. She switches them out with every season and decorates this whole place based on the time of year, so you can come here multiple times and have different experiences.
Off to the right is the bedroom with a king bed and stone that goes all the way to the ceiling with some sconces on each side, some end tables with some charging ports underneath, and then in the corner is a little desk that kind of makes the whole thing feel like a reader-writer retreat, because you're in the woods, you get to take in the beauty of the nature, and so the whole place just has that cozy, relaxing feel.
Also, I feel like they were very clever with this space. For example, the wardrobe doubles as a full-length mirror.
The host Emily, her brother Gabe, and their father are the masterminds behind this place. Gabe actually designed the home himself and has made blueprints that are for sale. Emily did all of the interior decorating, and it really has come together to be a beautiful space with lots of just custom touches throughout. And then we love the windows that span the full front of the tiny home. Lets in that natural light, and you can take in that view of the surrounding forest. It really is special to wake up to that in the morning. And speaking of outside, there's another 200 square feet of patio that's underneath the roof, and it's got a custom built fire table by Gabe and his dad, a hot tub that's built into the patio. And then I love the light fixture that their dad created with a birch tree. It just gives that extra bit of character.
And a little bonus is they have a sauna trailed off to the side of the tiny home. So this place is perfect for relaxation and just getting away.
And with there being so much snow, it makes you want to just enjoy being in this tiny home, playing some games at the table. We've got Mintworks tonight. It's super simple, and it's literally in the size of an Altoids can, so you can take it pretty much anywhere you go. Cooking some good food, watching some movies, cuddling in bed.
And you don't have to worry about your toes because they will stay nice and warm with the heated floors. All the touches of luxury just elevate this stay.
And not only is this amazing, but they have another cabin on the property called Scenic Orchard, and it's a shipping container home that is beautiful. We got to stay there the night before last. you should definitely go check out that video as well. But if you want to book this cabin yourself, we'll leave a link in the description below. We highly recommend it.
And we genuinely want to know what you think of this place, so comment that below, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel because we've got some pretty epic places coming up.
Oh yeah.